my rudder.
Wow, that had no control on the right side. That had plenty of power though. I remember you from last year too.
Yeah.
Dude, this was on your channel.
It was.
I still watched that video.
Loved it.
Who wants it? Big Kraken was.
Oh!
What do you got this year? What's new?
The speaker's gone, so it's not a speaker playing anymore. Yeah, you couldn't really hear it too well, so instead it's all reinforced with the expanding foam. And I have a 12 amp hour battery.
That is long.
It's pretty big. So put up that up there from those way.
What is that, a 6 cell?
6 cell, yeah. So we got carbon fiber props and all that, so it's pretty sweet.
Man. Wait, what's on the, are these little?
That's the skids. Because I was tired of these getting all beat up. So I got wood sleds instead of landing gear this time.
You said you still filled it with the foam?
Yeah, it's
foam?
completely filled with that now. It's like, you can lift it up from one end, it's far and everything.
Is it the same size as last year?
Yeah, it's the same one.
Oh, it's the exact same one.
It's the same one, yeah. I mean, the fuselage is all the same. I had to take it apart and do a lot of remaking.
Okay.
Yeah, and these have like door hinges on the control switches now. So.
Wait, did you replace those?
Yep, yeah, these are completely brand new. The servos are new. Motors are the same.
How long did it take you to like build the? How long did it take you to build it the first time, and then all the extra time?
The first time it was like I cut out all the pieces at home, and then we brought it here, did the expanding foam and everything. That took like 2 days to like get the main thing set up, and then on the third day we got it finalized. So on Sunday we did the combat, and we got all the landing gear. So for those 4 days, plus cutting out, and then from here worked on it a bit at home, plus the 3 days here, so another say like 5 days. So overall only like 2 weeks of actual working on it, but that's like 24/7 like grinding, trying to get it to work. You know, I got XC90s now instead. Yeah.
What happened last year? Did you like crash? I can't remember.
The battery ran out. That's why I got this. So this is better than the other two combined. It's more than that. And I'll probably run it at like 1750 milliamps. I'm gonna try and put another one in here. So yeah, I got this.
Sweet.
Big old white furnace in there.
I will be looking for you.
Awesome. Please do. Yeah, I think I got it down because like, look, when I go up, as long as I push down and then back the other way, it kind of works.
Do you think it'll work enough to fly?
I hope so. I really hope so.
I actually don't use my time.
Yeah, exactly.
With my rudder.
See you later. Thanks for playing. Well done, guys. I need a spotter to go out there and check which one's the closest to the main plane.
Dude, the power pod. Wait, where'd the other one go? The power pods are intact.
Dang.
We got battery number one. I don't know where the other one is.
Battery number one, I don't know where the 12 amp one is, but literally these power pods that hold on the motors are, of course the prop broke, I knew that was going to be a thing, but these are fine. I could glue them back in, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Do you think the sled thing worked out well?
The sled thing worked well, yeah, that worked fine. The problem was this right servo, so I can't power it on, but this one had absolutely, yeah, it looks like actually it bound up in the end. I don't know, this might be it for the Kraken. Might have to call it quits on this guy.
Or build another one.
Yeah, well, I'm coming out with new stuff next year. I'm gonna do all the expensive stuff is good, so that's fine. It's just the airframe, that's a good day. And we got some epic craft footage, just like that.